This is how to buy Jupiter cryptocurrency in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys have Robinhood open, go to the bottom in the middle and select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, just type in Jupiter or ticker symbol JUP and then select it. Once you're here at the bottom where it says buy, select that. Now in the top right where it says market order, you can choose the order type. So there's market order, there is a market order in Canadian dollars or market order in Jupiter. I will just keep it at Canadian dollars for this example. Once you're here, go ahead and type in how much you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do, as an example, $6, you would type in 6 and then just press review. Then on this page, you can review the transaction, so you can see how much Jupiter crypto you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how to buy Jupiter cryptocurrency here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.